So you got a new item, new with tags, but it has the clearance sticker on it.
What do you do?
Oh, what do you do? How do you get that clearance sticker off the new with tags while leaving it new with tags? So the person buying it from you, when you resell it, doesn't know you got it at a good price. I'm going to show you that today. I'm going to show you exactly how to de-tag your new with tag items. My name is Karen.
I'm Jay.
With the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about Poshmark and reselling. If you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. So
we have some exciting news. We touched on it in a few of our videos before, but we're coming up with a course on how to take your Poshmark business to the next level. It's going to be the ins and outs of Poshmark, how Poshmark works, where to go from there, and what to do on Poshmark. And it's going to have some great videos.
Exciting.
Great videos on sourcing too.
We've been working on it like all the time for you guys.
Exactly. So we have a link in our description. It's the first link in the description. What happens there is you'll get on our email list. We're picking a winner each week until we launch the course, and that winner will get the course for free. So get on that email list. The winners come directly from there, and we'll email you and let you know that you won.
Yeah, so those sticky tags. Somebody here does not have patience.
I don't have patience at all.
Tags.
No, I don't.
When we do Amazon FBA, we have to detag everything, and we learn from people how to detag these items without like ruining them. And I said, I could do the same thing with the clothes that I get. So he has absolutely no patience for it. He's ruined tags before. So I'm going to take over. I'm just going to show you guys really quick some things that you could get for cheap that'll help you detag those new at tag clearance stickers. Those stupid sticky stickers that get everywhere. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So I'm going to detag 3 different items off 3 different store tags to get that clearance tag off of the new at tag retail price sticker. Hopefully with little to no damage and any kind of sticky residue. I'm first going to show you what's in my arsenal so you know how I get my tickets up. First thing is called a Scotty peeler. You can buy these on Amazon. I will be sure to put a link in the description below for Scotty peelers. These things are fabulous. They're very sharp on the edges, and they slide right underneath the sticker and they peel it up. Now what goes hand in hand with the Scotty peeler is this stuff called Goo Gone. Goo Gone, I use this for a lot of different things. It's kind of crazy how much this stuff can do. And it is pretty surface safe with like most items. Oh, it even says surface safe. So this is going to get the sticky and tacky, and it's also going to help the Scotty peeler slide. And then I have, this is like any kind of, this is like a makeup remover pad, but any kind of tissue, cotton ball, toilet paper, whatever, anything that you could put the Goo Gone on. And the last thing I use as like a last resort or as an aid to the Scotty peeler is my handy dandy steamer. Or if you prefer, an iron works as well, but if you're using an iron, you definitely need to have something between the iron and the tag, maybe like a towel or a medium thickness type of fabric as like a barrier between that and the tag, because with an iron you're putting direct contact on it and you'll burn through all the tags and possibly ruin the clothes as well. So I don't even mess with the iron. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your Scotty peeler, you're going to take your Goo Gone, you're going to put your Goo Gone, and you're going to put some on here, and then you're going to clean your Scotty peeler. They end up getting a lot of residue on it because they deal with sticky stuff. And it also like lubricates the Scotty peeler with the Goo Gone in order to slide underneath. So I try this first before I even touch any kind of heat. You're going to take it and you're going to slide it underneath very carefully, working on it from the corners. Now once you start feeling some resistance, it means that your Goo Gone's getting kind of depleted on the Scotty peeler. So you might want to just kind of give it another wipe. And because a lot of the stickiness of the sticker is also getting put on the Scotty peeler. And you're gonna keep sliding, keep sliding. Be careful, it's very sharp. I've had one too many paper cuts or cuts because of the Scotty peeler. I know you guys are watching me right now. You're like, I'm surprised she hasn't cut herself yet. Ah. Came right off. So for the most part, it came off. Some of the writing came off, but it's not sticky. You know, if you sat there and you were peeling this off with your hand, there would have been a lot more damage and it would have left residue behind. Now, if it did leave a little residue behind, you can also take this and dab it. You don't want to like wipe because that might take some of the ink off. It depends on how the tags are printed. If it's a thermal printer, it won't wipe off. But if it's ink, it's gonna wipe off. So it depends, you know, you don't really want to ruin the price because that's what we're trying to save is the price right here. So got that price tag off. Next one, Free People. Clean the Scotty peeler and Scotty peel. It's helpful because this thing is like more cardboard, the Free People tag. Sometimes you have like very like paper like tags that are thinner where you can't put as much pressure. And you just work at it until it actually starts coming off. I might not have to re-glue this one. Ta-da! Nice. And it's not sticky whatsoever. Done. This is like the best couple bucks I've ever spent. I love these things so much. Yeah, Jay just doesn't have a patience for it. He goes at it in too much of an angle. You really want to get it as flat as possible against the, between the sticker and the item. You don't want to go at it like this. You want to get it as flat as possible. Now this one's kind of stuck a bit. Just gonna blast it with a little bit of heat, carefully. Not too close either. That loosens it up a bit. See how it turned a little black? I chose this one. Hi, Hunter Cat. Say hi to everyone. My Hunter Cat prowls about. He's my supervisor. So what I'm trying to do with this one, Hunter, you gotta get out, buddy. I'm not petting you. He thought I was petting him. Aw, pup. I'll give you some petting later. They put the sticker over the sticker on the tag. So another thing with the Goo Gone is it's very absorbent, so you know you might have to reapply the Goo Gone. A little goes a long way. It's very slick. Save the toughest for last. Nice and flat. No angles. I usually do this like at night after we've gone, like if we've done a lot of retail arbitrage, like when we're doing, catching up on the DVR, having some, there we go. Okay, so I didn't know what was underneath the sale tag. What it is just another sale tag. So all of that was for nothing. All of that was for nothing. So I just have to now remove this tag. I thought it was the actual tag for the, like the actual jeans. Nope. It was a tag saying, oh, hey, 55% off, whatever. Spend $70. No, no thank you. See, some of them are a little bit more resistant. And then a lot of the companies, to prevent like theft, when they have these tags, they come off in different pieces. like they're scored in different pieces to come off in like little triangles and bits. So you can't just pull it off in the store and switch prices. They fall apart. They do that on purpose. It's like anti-theft. It is thieving if you switch price tags. That is the same thing. All right. Cool, cool. Now this is a little sticky and then there's no printing on it. So I'm just going to take my glue gun pad and wipe, wipe, wipe. Looks like I bought that brand new. I didn't get that at Nordstrom. Nordstrom Rack. I didn't get that cheap. So yeah, awesome. Pick up definitely. These are on Amazon. This is on Amazon. Well, this lasts a really long time. A little does go a long way. So you don't need a lot. It's good for other things. It's also really good for sneakers. I'm gonna have a video about sneakers and cleaning them up, or just shoes in general, kind of getting the thrift store prices off of the bottom of the sneakers. Goo gone, and heat if it's your last resort.
So, now that you know how to take those pesky clearance sticker tags off those new tag items, get ready to sell those items for top dollar.
So when it says, hey, this sells for $189 new, you can actually show the tag saying $189 new and flip it for more money. So I really hope you have learned from this video. If you have, give us a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the first link in the description below to sign up for our email waiting list for our new course. Other than that, take care.
Have a good one.